Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear cadet, today we'll discuss another topic that is called System International Unit. Before defining this system, I will give you a brief history. In past, the system of unit of one country was different from that of other country. However, in the middle of last century, an international committee agreed on a set of units to measure the physical quantities. Now, this system is used throughout the world. Its units are convenient for daily life or daily use, and similarly, scientists particularly prefer this system for exchange of their scientific researches and information with the world's scientific community. Now, coming to the definition of the System International Unit is, we can define the system as the system of unit which is based on base physical quantities. Actually this System International Unit is based on the base physical quantity, and we can denote this System International by simply SI. S means system, I stand for international. Now, dear cadet, we use this international system of unit in our daily life. For example, the units which we use in our daily life are meter, kilogram, cubic meter and liter, and one by one we will explain these units. For example, meter is actually a unit which is used to measure the length. And what is actually a meter? Standard meter. Standard meter is actually platinum iridium alloy rod which is placed in the International Bureau of Weight and Measurement, which is in France at 0 degree centigrade. The figure of the standard meter is given in your textbook. Similarly, another unit that we use in our daily life, that is kilogram. Kilogram is actually used to measure the mass of different things. And what is the standard kilogram? Standard kilogram is actually platinum iridium rod which is placed in the IBWM. IBWM stand for the International Bureau of Weight and Measurement. Similarly, the standard kilogram figure is also given in your textbook. Cubic meter, that is another unit which we use in our daily life. Cubic meter is used to measure the volume, and it is denoted by meter cube. Similarly, we use another unit for the measurement of volume, that is liter. And the difference between the cubic meter and the liter is that cubic meter is used for the solid objects, where liter is used to measure the volume of the liquid. Dear cadets, you must note this thing, that the SI unit for the measurement of volume is actually cubic meter, and it is denoted by m power 3. And similarly, you must note this thing, that liter is a smaller unit than the meter cube, and the relation between liter and meter cube can be given as 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1000 liter, or you can say 1 liter will be equivalent to 1 divided by 1000 cubic meter. Similarly, we have another relation between the liter and the milliliter, that is 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliter, and milliliter can be symbolically represented by ml. M stands for milli and L stands for liter. Similarly, we have another relation, 1 milliliter is equivalent to 1 centimeter cube, and centimeter cube can be represented by cc. Another unit that is used in our daily life is actually second. Second is a unit to measure the time, and this is the SI unit for the measurement of time, and it is denoted by S. And the different units of time and their relation are given below. 1 second is related to mean solar day by 1 divided by 86,400. Means in 1 second, how much mean solar day? It is 1 divided by 86,400. And similarly the second relation with the minute, that is 1 second is equivalent to 1 divided by 60 minute, and minute and hour relation is 1 minute is equivalent to 1 divided by 60 hour. Hours and solar day relation is 1 hour is equivalent to 1 divided by 24 hour solar day. Science bit that is given in your textbook mean if you want to convert second into minute or minute into hour. Conversely, if you want to convert hours into minute or minute into second, then first of all, if you want to convert second into minute, then you will divide second by 60 in order to convert into minute. Similarly, if you convert minute into hours, then you have to divide that minute by 60 in order to have a hours unit. Similarly, on the other hand, if you want to convert hours into minute, then you have to multiply by 60. And similarly, if you want to convert minute into 60, then you have to multiply this by 60. So this is all about the System International and its use in the daily life. Thank you. Jazakumullah.